Hello, I am Madurai Selvi. I am a Go Green, eco-friendly initiator in hotels and resorts. Right now, we came to Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is famous for Ramanatha Temple, Dhanushkodi, and the longest sea bridge, Pamban. But right now, we have it in KNP Nest. It's one of the 2-star budget hotel in Rameshwaram. We have implemented a lot of eco-friendly practices here. So I am going to give a overview on what are the main practices we have done so far here. Let's have a walkthrough, and before that, let's see it's placed in a residential area, very calm area, away from pollution, traffic and everything, and you can see the very good landscape. Now let's go inside the hotel and give you a walkthrough on what are the Go Green eco-friendly initiative we have done so far. And we have a spacious lobby here, and this is a walking strip. And the lights we use here, it's a low consumption lights. And the second energy saving eco-friendly activities we done here is solar powered water heaters. And the main third thing is we have our natural air cooler. It's made out of clay pot and vetiver herbals. So the main thing about this natural air cooler is it's a very eco-friendly. It doesn't have too much electricity consumption, and it doesn't throw a lot of carbon footprints, and it doesn't have any impact to the environment and ozone. So the air comes from this natural air cooler is very fresh, especially it treats insomnia and relieves stress. The aromatherapy and the fresh air from this one relieves people with insomnia, and it gives a very good cooling in the night time. This is the main initiative we promoted on our eco-friendly and Go Green initiative. This natural air cooler comes with every non-AC room in Hotel KNP Nest for free of cost. That's what we promote here. And the main thing about this hotel is like it's a free of plastics, and the plates we give here it's made of banana leaves or like palm leaves. We don't give any more like plastics here. So thank you so much for coming here and promote us on the eco-friendly and Go Green initiative. And also we have a notice board here saying 24-degree keep as the default temperature of ACs. In such a way, the electricity consumption is reduced, and also it doesn't have any impact to the environment. It promotes a lot of sustainability. And whenever you leave the room, please switch off the AC. This is the best thing we can give to the environment. By switching off the AC, we reduce the electricity consumption, and also we help the environment in a good way. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming to KNP Nest.